things to come, and I believe it could be something good has begun. 'Cause I've been smiling lately, dreaming about the world is one, and I believe it could be someday it's gonna come. It's out on the edge of darkness, there rides a peace train. Peace train, take this country and take it home again. 'Cause I've been smiling lately, thinking about the good things to come, and I believe it could be something good has begun. Peace train sounding loud, ride on the peace train. Your bands together, go bring your good friends too, 'cause it's getting nearer, soon to be with you. Come and join the living, no, it's not so far from you, and it's getting nearer, soon it will all be true. Peace train sounding loud, ride on the peace train. Crying lately, thinking about the world as it is. Why must we go on hating? Why can't we live through this? 'Cause out on the edge of darkness, there rides a peace train. A peace train, take this country, come take me home again. Peace train sounding loud, ride on the peace train. Come on, peace train. Peace train, holy road. Everyone jump upon the peace train. Come on, come on. Let's come on, peace train. This is the peace train. In the name of peace, peace be with you, and God bless you for coming. Make it a day to last forever. And Jeremy, well done. Thank you so much. God bless and peace.